Everybody remembers the Karen Reed trial. And hopefully, those that watched it remember that everything took place during a terrible, terrible snowstorm. I don't think people realize how much that snowstorm was a big part of that trial, and probably most of the trial when it came down to visibility issues, scene complications, timeline distortions, witnesses, accounts of what they saw. Um, the storm became such a big part of the narrative that I don't think anyone really thought about that during the trial. Even the fact that she went back to the house, supposedly backed into his car, and that's where she broke the lamp, the snow still had a huge part in it. But the snow messed up the scene. You know, it was like, I think in the end, had it not been for that snowstorm, the trial might have gone a different way. But with that said, that snowstorm did play a lot. My 2 cents is that the storm helped Karen Reed to a degree with her trials. So I'm just pointing out how weather can shape our perception.